Good morning and welcome to the first official day of Vlogmas. I feel so festive. I woke up this morning and it was snowing outside, so I made my warm coffee in my Christmas mug. I just lit this candle that I got from IKEA yesterday, which is like a coffee cookie scent. It smells so good. It smells like a coffee shop. And I had Christmas cookies for breakfast because it's an occasion. It is Vlogmas day one. Similar to last year, I'm not going to be vlogging every single day of December, but there will be frequent vlogs up on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe for more. It's a special time of year and I do this every year. I have been doing it, I want to say for like 6 or 7 years, a very long time. So I'm so excited to kick it off. It's Sunday. And because it's such a cozy day, I wanted to start off today by painting my nails. This is the shade that I'm going to be using, which is called Can't Beat Royalty by Sally Hansen. It is their Miracle Gel line. So then I'm gonna follow up with the Step 2 top coat. If you're familiar with the Miracle Gel line from Sally Hansen, you know that this top coat looks a little bit different. It used to be in a black bottle with a white cap. So not only is there a new packaging, but it's actually a new formula. And I've been trying it out for the last few weeks and I honestly love it so much. It lasts on my nails like 8 or so days without any chips. So I really like this polish, and it's such an easy at-home solution. So I'm gonna sit down with you and do my nails today, and then we're gonna decorate the house for Christmas. Also, before we begin, I wanted to thank Sally Hansen for partnering with me on this portion of the vlog. And now I'm gonna set up Netflix. I'm watching Holiday. I'm gonna start it. It's a really cute Christmas movie. Now I'm gonna do my nails. So I prepped them. I did put on a base coat. It is this one here from Sally Hansen, Good Kind Pure. It's their vegan hardener. I really like this one, but it's definitely not required with the Miracle Gel. It's honestly so simple. You really just need these 2 polishes, no UV light, nothing like that. So I'm gonna start off by applying 2 coats of this gorgeous color, Can't Beat Royalty. It's such a pretty color for this time of year, a deep red. I really love it. And then like I said, when it's dry, I'm gonna apply the top coat, and that's it. Also, this brush on the Miracle Gel, or all Sally Hansen products to be honest, makes it so easy for applying your polish. Like, you don't have to be a professional at all, and it goes on so well. And that's it. Now I have a perfect manicure. I love how quick and easy it is. It was literally just 2 steps, and now I can watch the rest of my movie while they dry. Look at that shine. I feel like I just went to go get my nails done. Thanks again to Sally Hansen for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. And now, time for lunch. We still have a pumpkin from Halloween. I am gonna have leftover pizza from Giulietta. If you didn't know, Giulietta is actually my uncle's restaurant. So the pandemic has been hard for everyone, but especially the small local businesses. So my parents actually ordered from there last night and we have a pizza left over. I'm trying to not ruin my nails. Oh, so good. I don't even know if I should heat this up because it also tastes good cold. So as I said, I know that these times have been challenging for everyone in so many different ways, but if you can, please go out and support your local businesses to keep our local economy going. She's starting without me, putting up the mistletoe. So pretty.
Come, I'll give you a big kiss.
All right, this is it. We're officially Decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited. Let's do it. First, we have to clear Merlot's toys from the spot where the Christmas tree goes. And if you saw one of my last vlogs, you know that Merlot has a lot of toys. But I'm telling you, he loves every single one of them.
He loves every single one of them.
That is so many toys, oh my gosh.
Look, he gets anxiety when you move them. Look.
Perfect. Now we're ready for the Christmas tree. And the tree is here. Now that the tree is officially up, we're going through the ornaments and starting to put them on the tree.
This one is Rachel's first Christmas.
And why do you put them on the back of the tree?
And then this one is Mark's first Christmas.
Where?
And then this resembled you guys, so I had to buy it.
Oh, so tell everyone, why do you put them on the back of the tree?
Well, it's color coordination.
She puts them on the back so that you can't see them because they're not as cute as the rest of the decor.
Oh, they're cute. They're just...
She also used to do that with the homemade ones that we used to make as kids. She would put them on the back.
Yeah, they're on the tree though.
And then we have cute little Merlot just hanging out by the tree. Aw, it already looks so festive in here. Today is so hard. Feels like a Monday. But it is really nice waking up and seeing the house all decorated for Christmas. It does put me in a good mood. I'm really having a hard time getting going this morning. And I know it's going to be a long day. It's lunchtime and I am very hungry. I'm gonna put this on the bottom. I just warmed up some barbecue chicken and I'm going to make a salad. So I'm mixing in, let me see, show you. I have a big bowl. I'm mixing in this coleslaw mix. That's weird, there's two containers here. Lettuce, a cucumber. I just washed it. If you're not cutting your cucumber this way, you're doing it wrong. Then, this is the good stuff. It's cilantro avocado yogurt dressing. Ooh, that was a lot. And then top it off with a little bit of feta. This is what I'm gonna have for lunch. I think the problem is that I don't eat breakfast in the morning. I really just have my coffee and then kind of try to zoom through the morning. And then I'm starving by lunch, and I feel like because I didn't eat anything, I can't think properly. So I should probably start having breakfast in the morning to solve that problem, because I think that's why I just have such a hard time in the morning getting going. Marlo and I are just going out for a quick walk because I find I never get outside during the daylight anymore because it gets dark so early. So just finished lunch. I feel really full and I'm gonna go for a little walk. I wanted to talk about these pants because I'm wearing them again. They're from Amazon. They are a dupe for the Align leggings from Lululemon. And I linked them in a previous vlog, and a lot of you actually got them and checked them out. So I wanted to talk about them again because I love them and they're just so comfy, so I recommend. And then I'm wearing my old Aritzia jacket. It's by the brand TNA. So I'm gonna zip it up. Merlot is ready to go. Well, my friends, it was a great day for me to go for a walk, but not the dog, because it was a little bit more mild, so the snow was melting and now he's all wet. The question is, do I have to give you a bath or can I just clean your paws? I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed. This was the first episode of Vlogmas and I'm so excited to kick it off this year. Please subscribe to my channel as there will be many more videos for Vlogmas. And if you want to see any behind the scenes of what I'm up to this December before it makes it into the vlog, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. So I'm posting daily stories of whatever I'm up to. Staying home and staying safe during this time. It looks a little bit different, but I think that we can still spread the holiday cheer. I want to say thank you again to Sally Hansen for sponsoring this vlog. My nails are still going strong and look so nice and shiny. Once again, this is the Miracle Gel Can't Beat Royalty, so go ahead and check it out. You can order it online or you can pick it up in a store when you are out grabbing your essentials. Thanks so much for watching and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!